Today we'll be going over how to make a rectangle using the properties of a rectangle in GeoGebra. Well, first off, here's some of the properties of a rectangle would be the four perpendicular angles that a rectangle have, and then it has two sets of parallel sides with the opposite sides being congruent. So we're going to start off by making a line segment. So we're going to click the segment tool, and we have point A and point B. So now that we have that line segment set up, we need to make a set of perpendicular sides. So we're going to start off by going to the perpendicular line. We're going to go point A, from point B to point A, and it's going to give us this perpendicular line to that line. Then what we're going to do, we are going to create a set of parallel lines to this line segment. We're going to create a parallel line by putting a point, so we're going to do point C up here. So we're going to create a parallel line to this here. So we click on the parallel line to click on the segment and the point. So now we have a parallel line to this line segment AB. Now, just like what you did last time, we're going to choose the perpendicular line. And this time we go from A to B, and it's going to create that for us. And then we create our point, our intersection point here by clicking on the intersection and clicking there. Then we're going to go down to our polygon tool, A, B, C, D. And when using this polygon tool, you got to make sure you always click back onto the first point so you can close it up. So now you can see that we have a rectangle and we have used 1, 2, 3, 4 perpendicular angles. And then our two opposite sides, like the segment DC and AB, are congruent, and CB and DA are congruent. And now we are going to hide our perpendicular lines. And then once we click on it, we can move it around and see, no matter where we move it, the rectangle still stays intact.